Miss Lindsay. So we're going to go ahead and go over today just some ways you can put your socks on since you just had a hip replacement. So what we have here is a sock aid. So what we're going to do with this, so you don't break your hip precautions by leaning forward, this allows you to go ahead and take this, place it against your stomach like this. You're going to have the sticky parts of the sock facing outwards, and you're just going to go ahead and squeeze this over. Now you're going to take the handles that are at the end of this and go ahead and drop it down to the floor. And without leaning forward, go ahead and place your foot inside the sock aid, and then you're going to pull these handles up and the sock's going to slide on. Now, can you go ahead and demonstrate this for me? Here's your sock. Here we go, just like that. All right, perfect. Let me go ahead and fix that for you. Okay, and you could go ahead and put on the other sock now. Perfect.